I'd say my favorite part is going to be the end scene where he's pulled up at Skyfall and it's the big battle, Bond versus all the bad guys. That's pretty cool. That's pretty James Bond. Instead of him going to the lair, they came to him. So.
Exactly. And you know what little moment I like in that sequence?
Yeah.
Is when...
What's up guys, Jeff Wybo here, and in this vlog I'm going to be taking you guys down to Toronto where I see Skyfall live in concert. And if you guys didn't know anything about me, James Bond is very passionate in my life and it's what helps me succeed in real estate. So that's why I'm putting it on this channel. So if you're new here, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button because we're going to have a lot of more empowering James Bond content coming up because I will be in London, England and in Paris, France for No Time to Die, which is the new James Bond movie coming up at the end of March. So you're going to want to stick around and follow that. But first, we were in Toronto this last weekend to see Skyfall live in concert. And if you've never been to one of these events before, it is absolutely fantastic. They do other movies too, not just James Bond. They do Harry Potter. But for me, it was James Bond. We had about 20 to 30 Bond fans come out for the event, and you'll see us all in tuxedos going around and enjoying it. And if you recognize, you might see Adam Martin, who was at the event with me, who's in my real estate clique. And it was a fantastic time. And this is what I want to bring to the channel a little bit more, is more of my lifestyle. I want to do more videos about my watch and what watches I'm going to be getting. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Please stick around and watch, hit that like button, and we will see you guys later. Let's get to Toronto. Bye.
Yeah, we're going up to the CN Tower, but after this we're going to be going to the Royal York with many Bond fans and also to the concert tonight and then back to the hotel, the Omni King Edward, for many, many more beverages. It's going to be a fun night, so let's enjoy. Last night there was a lot of talk about the new movie No Time to Die, so it's always good to actually come out and meet the Bond fans. There were some Bond fans that were scared to come and meet us. But if you're new and you're watching this video, just come on out and meet us. It doesn't matter if you've seen one movie or all 25 of them. Come on out and let's bond. One of the things I have planned for us is we're going all the way up there for lunch. Let's go. Amazing lunch on top of the CN Tower, guys. The next place you're gonna wanna be is the Royal York for cocktails around 4-ish. So get over there right now, and then Skyfall, and then we're at the Omni King Edward. So we'll see you there. Any questions, hit us up and share James Bond Canada's post today. We're trying to get to 2,000 followers. We can do it. Let's go. All right, we're all ready for Skyfall tonight. Let's go. Matt, what's your favorite part of Skyfall?
The part with the guy in the tuxedo that kills people.
Ah, 007. All right.
Just a little podcast.
What's your favorite part of Skyfall?
Ooh, that's a good one. I do like it when he jumps from the tractor onto the now open track. Training
That's gonna be fun. Yeah, we're gonna see that. We'll see what the orchestra does during that.
But I think that's when the theme plays a little bit.
Exactly.
It's one of the rare, well, I shouldn't say rare, but Skyfall's not a movie where the Bond theme is played too often.
It's true.
So it does get extra bit of excitement.
Exactly.
What are you doing? Just changing characters. I like that moment. It's very Bond.
Very Bond. I'd say my favorite part is going to be the end scene where he's pulled up at Skyfall and it's the big battle, Bond versus all the bad guys. That's pretty cool. That's pretty James Bond. Instead of him going to the lair, they came to him. So.
Exactly. And you know what little moment I like in that sequence?
Yeah.
Is when he's preparing the gas tanks, I suppose.
Yeah.
He's looking outside and Silva orders the helicopter to blow up Aston Martin. And when they do that, I find there's a look in
Yeah, that look he gives him.
Look, you can try to kill my boss, you can try to kill me, but you've blown up my car. It's over.
This is personal.
Actually, that might be the best moment.
Yeah.
The building up the Aston Martin and then the quick reaction.
Exactly.
Grumpy face.
One, two, three, Bond!
What did you guys think? Back in 2012, I was actually at the royal premiere of Skyfall, so it was super cool to see it back on the big screen, but with a live orchestra. I know it's different from the channel. If you stuck around, thank you so much. Hopefully you can stick around and watch some real estate content here, but thank you guys, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.